1956 Colonial White Thunderbird, professional restoration. Both of her tops consist of a black Hartz cloth, late style convertible top, and the Colonial white Porthole hardtop. She is fully loaded with every power accessory offered by Ford Motor Company in 1956 on Thunderbirds. Her odometer is 33,247 miles. She's a 312, 225 horse Thunderbird Special V8 with the 4-barrel. She has Ford's Masterguide power steering. She has Swift Sure power brakes, 4-way power seats, power windows. She has front disc brakes and the dual master cylinder. She has the Thunderbird AM/FM with dual stereo speakers. She's got iPod-IPAD capabilities and iPhone capabilities. She's got the 57 carburetor and manifold upgrade. She's got Ford's engine dress-up option, 1956 Ford accessory backup light option. Got the desert cooler a radiator with a 6-bladed fan. The Thunderbird Alternator electrical upgrade. A hidden parade fan for heavy traffic. Dual exterior mirrors. Raven black seat belts. The new best quality Thunderbird wire wheels. Radial Whitewall tires. Exhaust tips are turned down just below the rear bumper to save the chrome. The 1956 Ford accessory invoice for documentation. She was sold new by Cochran Ford in Salinas, California. She was owned in California and Dallas. She hasn't been subject to the high humidity or rusty climates north of Texas or east of Arkansas. She is definitely investment quality. You can show her, or she's a prestigious drive for a very particular collector.